Hey everyone, and welcome. We're John and Lorna, and back in 2023 we decided it was really time for a change. We decided to leave the Gold Coast in Australia, and we sold pretty much everything we owned, including our Harley Davison, our house, and traded it all for an adventure in Chiang Mai, Thailand. And it's been an incredible journey so far. We've already picked up a new Harley, found a wonderful new home, and even got a Ford Wildtrack. So follow along as we give you a peek into our daily life, our views about living in Thailand, and all our travel adventures. Welcome back to our channel, everyone. Now this video is a little different. It's a deep dive into what our amazing life here in Chiang Mai, Thailand actually looks like for us right now. Now you might be wondering why we haven't been on any incredible trips lately. No ancient temples, no island hopping, and no exotic market tours for us right now. Well, this is why, because meet the magnificent five. These cute little kittens, because about a month ago a stray mother cat had these beautiful babies right near our house. And if you watch the previous video that we've done, it shows you the rescue. We rescued these little kittens, and our lives have become a full-time kitten rescue. We're officially foster parents to these five adorable tiny kittens, and they're very demanding. They're healthy, they're growing fast, but our clock is ticking. We have just another 4 weeks, and then we'll begin to find them safe, loving, forever homes for every single one of them, because we just can't keep them. We travel too much, and the mother is not a house cat at all. She does come and feed them through the day, but then at night she takes off, so we've had to buy them some kitten milk and a bottle to feed them. So until then, our travel plans are officially on hold. As you can see, our world is shrunk to the perimeter of our property, but just look at those cute little faces. Today we're just heading up to the vet. We're going to get buy a little bottle to feed the kittens some milk, to begin to wean them, and some more milk, and we're going to check it all out at the vet. Come. So since we can't go out and explore the rest of Thailand, we thought we'd take you on a walk to explore the one place we can go, and that's our little corner of the neighborhood where we live. And it is changing fast around here. Now it feels like Thailand is going through a massive rebirth right now. Everywhere we look, there's constructions going on, there's new homes popping up, renovations, and there's a real sense of forward momentum.
Come around this side, you'll get a good shot. They're vibrant, like a vine.
See, this house, completely new, and it seems like every other week there's a new foundation being poured in our local area, or a loud demolition happening nearby. Our quiet street has been buzzing with activity recently because they built 3 new pool villas just down the road from where we live. People are investing, they're building bigger, more modern spaces, and you can practically hear the economy getting back on its feet here in Thailand. God, isn't it?
flower.
Holy cow. Woo. But for us, the most interesting change is happening right here, just down the road from where we live. Now, this building was completely abandoned during the height of the pandemic. It was just an empty shell, a ghost of what it was supposed to be. It was standing as a quiet reminder of those difficult times. But you know, look at it now. It's undergoing a full renovation. We think it was a holiday hotel of some type, and it probably closed its doors during the COVID. Now, what's happening is they're pulling down the walls. They've taken out of the old windows. They've chopped all the overgrown landscape down. And every day there's workers, you know, working here every day. It's an incredible transformation. It's more than just a renovation of a hotel. It actually feels like a symbol that the country's shaking off the dust and is looking ahead. It's exciting to witness this. The changes are happening literally right outside our door.
Interesting, eh?
Yeah, we came in through here last time.
Yeah. Yeah, and it had all that decaying floor.
Yeah, it did.
The floor was like there was holes, it was all unsteady.
Yeah.
Speaking of cold, because they'll resurrect that.
Got a little dirty water in it.
They'll resurrect that cold.
They will.
See, this is the Mountain May style, just gut.
You can see the mountain look over there.
It's the Mountain May style, they gut them and then bedroom, 3 bathroom, kitchen, living, parking, 10 cars. They're practicing their dance.
So that's life in a nutshell for us right now. 5 tiny lives depending on us, and a front row seat to the fascinating energy and growth of Thailand. Our next great adventure won't be a plane ride or a train trip. It will be to successfully rehome these little travellers so they can start their own wonderful lives. So if you are in the area of Chiang Mai and you know anyone looking to adopt a wonderful kitten, please share this video, because every share helps us find them a forever family. So thank you for walking with us today and for understanding why our content is a little more local right now. We will be back to our usual adventures as soon as these 5 are settled. Until then, say goodbye to the cutest little kittens you'll ever meet.